Imagine paying for a piece of land today only to discover tomorrow that the ownership of that land has already been decided by the courts, all the way to the Court of Appeal. Yet, the party that lost is still trying to sell the same land. This is exactly the kind of situation unfolding right now in Aboto Community. Ogunsemoro Badebo and Michael Ogunsemoro have been involved in long-standing land disputes against His Royal Majesty, Oba Oyetayo Ofoaye of Aboto. The dispute was initially instituted as a civil action before the High Court sitting in Okitipupa. After full judicial consideration, the High Court delivered judgment which did not favor the Ogunsemoros. Dissatisfied with the decision, they exercised their right of appeal to the Court of Appeal sitting in Akure. The appellate court has now delivered its judgment, affirming the position of His Royal Majesty, Oba Oyetayo Ofoaye, as the rightful owner of the land in question. Ordinarily, the conclusion of this litigation at the appellate level should have brought to a closure the dispute. However, information available to encumberedproperties.com indicates that the two, or the duo Ogunmesoro Badebo and Michael Ogunsemoro, are determined to assert control over the disputed land through violence and intimidation. This situation has drawn the attention of the Commissioner of Police in the state, CP Adebowale Lawal, who has issued a firm warning that the Nigeria Police in the state will not tolerate any attempt by individuals or groups to undermine the authority of the courts or take the laws into their own hands. In the light of all these developments, Encumberedproperties.com strongly advises the members of the public, investors, developers, realtors, and prospective land buyers to exercise extreme caution when considering real estate transactions in Aboto, Eki, or Boto areas. Particular vigilance is advised with respect to any land transaction offers originating from Ogunsemoro Badebo and Michael Ogunsemoro. So, no matter how attractive any offers might be coming from Badebo and Michael Ogunsemoro, please caution demands that we don't enter into any form of land transaction with them, no matter how attractive or inexpensive such offers may be. You must proceed with caution, because any transaction conducted under such circumstances will expose you to significant legal and financial risks. Real estate investment is one of the most valuable forms of wealth creation, but it is also an area where inadequate due diligence can lead to devastating losses. Whenever you or your legal advisor discovers during due diligence that a property title has been subject to or subject of litigation, or that ownership has been determined by a court judgment, it becomes absolutely imperative to go a step further in your due diligence. First, verify the authenticity of the said court judgment the vendor is relying on through the court registry. Secondly, confirm that there are no pending appeals or applications capable of affecting the finality of that judgment the vendor is relying on. Thirdly, ensure that all necessary and relevant parties were properly joined in the suit, or at least we are aware of the pendency of the suit. Failure to verify these crucial details may result into purchasing a property whose title is defective and can never be yours. At encumberedproperties.com, our mission is clear: to make the real estate sector safer by exposing disputed properties, identifying encumbered titles, and educating the public on how to avoid property-related frauds. Real estate scams thrive where information is hidden. Our platform exists to reveal hidden real estate risks and protect investors from costly mistakes. We therefore encourage members of the public to partner with us by sharing with us information regarding any disputed property, any encumbered property, or any property that, for one reason or the other, is a high-risk investment zone. By sharing such details, you may unknowingly be saving someone from falling victim to real estate scam. Are you a realtor, a lawyer advising clients on property matters, or an investor seeking to secure your real estate investments? You are advised to obtain this manual. It will go a long way in helping you in what you do. 7 steps to acquiring a clean property title, a practical checklist. This very important manual provides you with step-by-step framework that walks you through the critical checks and professional safeguards required to ensure that every property acquisition you undertake is legally secure and fraud-proof. The link to order for your own copy is in the description to this video. I encourage you to subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss any of our important updates, professional insights which we share, and practical guidance that help you make safer and smarter real estate decisions. Follow us now. Until I come your way again, I remain Madueke Nwere. I'm a chief superintendent of police. I'm a real estate lawyer. And by God's grace, I'm the founder Encumberedproperties.com. Encumberedproperties.com is the only real estate frauds prevention platform. We love you and we really care about the safety of your real estate investments. Thank you, and don't forget to click the follow button now.